Sound of the Heart.
Đúng không? 6.
Written by Curtis Norris, illustrated by Link Ness.
6.
Loved up, I wonder what is that sound. Loved up, I cut down to listen better. Loved up, I put my hand on my desk. Something rubbing inside my chest, making the sound loved up. Oh, the sound that I am hearing is the sound of my own heartbeat. The heart beats to transmit blood and oxygen to every corner of the body. That's why the royal body can carry out its function. There are tubes that connect the heart to different parts of the body. These tubes open and close, allowing blood to flow in and out. That's how the loved up sound is made. Do you know that the heart never stops beating? Even when you're sleeping, eating, or playing, the heart even beats when you aren't paying attention. The heart only stops beating when people die. The heart works best when you are healthy and happy.